Creating and implementing a group policy object. It is a collection of settings that administrators use to manage user and computer configurations within an Active Directory environment. In the server virtual machine, click Input, Keyboard, and insert Ctrl-Alt-Delete. In the server administrator, just click the password. The password is Visara 2019. Then after that, let's wait. So this is now the Windows Server 2019 virtual machine. Let's just close the tab and then refresh the screen. Press Windows plus R and then type gpmc.msc. Click OK or Enter, and then the group policy management will pop up. Under it, there is a forest, server.com. And then create a GPO. Name it as desktop wallpaper and then click OK. The desktop wallpaper was created, and then let's edit it. Under User Configuration, find Administrative Templates, and then under Desktop, select the desktop wallpaper. Its state is not configured and no command. Let's enable it. And then for the wallpaper name, we can't have the wallpaper name because we have no internet. The server can't connect to the internet. But for editing it, we can style the wallpaper by the center, and then after that you can click OK. There's a pop-up that there's no value because we have no internet connection. But if you have internet connection on your server, you can add the wallpaper name. With that, we can have the wallpaper name for the client. Next is the prohibit deleting items. It is not configured and no comment. Let's enable it again and then click OK. And that's all. That's all pa daw ay.
Security filtering. It allows administrators to target specific users, groups, or computers with GPO. rather than applying it broadly across an entire domain. In security filtering, select authenticated users and then click Add. Click Object Types to select the types of object you want to find. You can choose whether built-in security principals, computers, groups, and users. And after selecting, you can click OK. Delegation. Delegation in GPOs allows administrators to assign specific permissions to user or groups to manage particular GPOs. Under the desktop wallpaper, select Delegation. You can see the name and the allowed permissions, where you can edit settings, delete, and modify security. And after that, select Authenticated Users and then click Add. After clicking Add, you can now select the object types. Choose Computers and then click OK. So we name the object as Client1. After naming it, you can click OK and then you can see the username and the permissions. In permissions, we modified it as Edit Settings. After selecting it, you can now click OK.
Windows Management Instrumentation or VMI filtering. It is a queries to apply GPOs dynamically based on specific criteria such as operating system, hardware specs, or software version of a computer.
So for Windows Management Instrumentation Filtering, first we're going to server.com. Then for the desktop wallpaper, we're going to click OK. From the VMI filters, as you can see on the screen, we're going to right click new. Then for the name, let's change the name of VMI filter. So we're going to put Windows 10 computers, Windows 10 computers only. Then for the description, we're going to put this GPO will only be applied to Windows 10 computers. So after we click the add, WMI query will pop up, and under query we're going to put select, then from Win32 operating system, where version like 10%, and product type. filters in server.com, we have the Windows 10 computer system, computers only. So from the desktop wallpaper, we're going to change the MI filtering to Windows 10 computers only. Then after nun, we have to click OK.